To remove the AutoLock cover, grasp the cover and pull forward to remove. Use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the lock attachment screws. Remove the lock. Using the same screwdriver, remove the keeper attachment screws and remove the keeper. Install the keeper and attach with the screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Make sure the latch is pulled back before positioning it on the check rail. Position the lock on the check rail with the hooks in the keeper. Extend the latch into the keeper. A small flat blade screwdriver may be used for this. Install the AutoLock attachment screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Install the cover on the lock and press into position. Open and close the sash to test lock operation and confirm the AutoLock works.